How to claim your seed airdrop. Let me show you how. Hey, what's up? JohnFDong here. Today's April 1st. It's no April Fools, but today is the airdrop and listing date for seed. Let's proceed. If you're using a desktop, make sure that you have SUI Wallet installed as your extension on your browser. Now go to playseedgo.com/dashboard or just click the link in the description so you'll be redirected in this page. What you want to do next is to log in or continue with your Telegram account. To do that, just click on the Telegram button right here. Now this will redirect you to their Telegram seed login page where you just have to click on login. And then you will receive a message stating you have successfully authorized on seed site. Now you can go back to the site. Let's get back to playseedgo.com. As you noticed, our Telegram is now detected here in SeedGo's website. Before we proceed, take note that we need a SUI coin to proceed in this one as it is required as our gas fees. So if you don't have SUI yet, you can just buy it using the SUI Wallet app. Here's my SUI Wallet. As you can see, I have SUI right here. So basically, I don't have to worry for my gas fees. What I want to do next is to link my SUI Wallet with my Telegram account here in SeedGo. By just clicking on Link SUI Wallet, I will be receiving this message stating connect SUI Wallet. The SUI Wallet will be linked to your account and cannot be changed. Are you sure you want to proceed? Make sure that the SUI Wallet you're connecting with your Telegram account is the SUI Wallet that you're really sure to receive your seed coins. So if you're good with that, click on confirm. Now, as you connect your SUI Wallet, you should be able to see the screen. Now there's transfer withdraw section. We have our spending account and wallet account. Now, for the meantime, we cannot select seed tokens. Right here, we can only see seed love or S-love, seed months, and mon boxes. However, we cannot click on that. We can't see anything yet. But in later time, since this is the official site, this is the official step on how you can really claim and withdraw your seed tokens, then definitely you can withdraw using these steps right here. So as we can see in our spending account, we have 4,288 seeds. However, we don't have S-love because we didn't really do the tasks for that. We didn't bought any mon boxes as well. So we don't have seed mons, we don't have mon boxes, etc. However, we need to put some SUI on our SUI wallet because we will really need this in order for us to withdraw our seed tokens, as this will serve as our gas fee. Now let's assume that we were able to claim and withdraw our seed tokens from our seed dashboard into our SUI wallet. How can we deposit that into our centralized exchanges like KuCoin, BingX, or MEXC? At the moment, we only have 3 centralized exchanges that confirm for the listing of seed, which includes KuCoin, MEXC, and BingX. Now, if you're gonna be asking me which of these 3 centralized exchanges will I choose for my seed, I'll be choosing KuCoin simply because they have gem pool, and this gem pool allows us to earn more of these seeds by doing staking. Okay, so if you stake more, you get more of these seeds. So yeah, let's proceed with KuCoin. However, we still have the option for the MEXC and BingX. You can just visit the link in the description if you want to use MEXC or BingX. Now let's assume you have a KuCoin account. What you want to do next is to click on the deposit button right here at the top right. And then you'll be redirected in this page. Select the coin. Let's search for seed. Then let's choose seed. For the network, we just have to choose SUI. And there's our deposit address. What you want to do here is just to click copy. That's it. Click OK. And go to your SUI extension. Now let's assume that you have your seed token right here. What you want to do is to click on that seed token, click on send, enter the amount of seed tokens that you want to send. Let's say I want to send like 1,000 seed tokens, for example, and let's paste the wallet address that we just copied from KuCoin. Then click on review. Once it's confirmed, click on send now. And pretty much that's it. That's how you can claim and withdraw your seed from your SeedGo dashboard into your SUI wallet. And from your SUI wallet, you can also deposit that into your centralized exchanges. Regardless if you're going to be using MEXC, KuCoin, or BingX, the steps are still the same. But for now, as of this recording, we cannot still get or claim our seed tokens because maybe the time difference. But yeah, this is how you do it later on. So if you have any questions or requests, please feel free to leave it down there in the comments. And if you find this video helpful, hit the thumbs up. Also consider following us on our social media accounts on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and on X. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out any of our uploads here in our YouTube channel.
Uy, nandiyan ka pa pala. Kung gusto mo pa manood ng mga videos natin dito sa ating channel, pwede nyo pong bisitahin yung ating mga playlists. Nandyan po lahat yan, naka-ready na po para po iisang topic lang, hindi po ay maligaw-ligaw dito sa ating YouTube channel. O siya, kita-kits tayo sa mga videos natin and see you soon sa ating mga videos.